Hey guys, welcome back to Very Beautiful. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the NoMakeNoLife Japanese and Korean beauty box, and it was sent to me, so I just wanted to put that out there before I started unboxing it, but I'm not being paid for this review or anything, just getting some free stuff to try out for you guys. Let's get into the unboxing. It looks like we have Ready Set Glow NoMakeNoLife, and it's for August 2019, volume 31. And I am so tempted to see what this is because this whipped cream face wash is such a big container. So let's see what's inside of here. And this looks like ways to get featured on their social media channels and maybe like get extra product. Okay, so here is showing us what we're getting inside of the August box. Okay, so let's find this Snail Essential Cream. Okay, so that looks like we have that right here. So the Snail Essential Cream, it looks like snail secretion filtrate will provide nutrients and elasticity to your skin. It feels really thick, like when I'm touching it. I'm a little bit apprehensive about trying this just because like I do break out easily, but I'll probably try it in like a small section of my face, like my jawline, just to see like how I react to it first. Let's see if we can find the next one. That's definitely something like I wouldn't try myself, so I am curious about it, and I think it's probably cool that they put this in here just to make me try new things. And Etude House Lovely Cookie Blusher. I don't think that's what. Oh, okay. So this should be the blusher. Oh, this is adorable. Lovely Cookie Blusher. So let's open this up. Oh, it has this cute little puff. And then here, oh, that's pretty nice. Okay, so like I probably have to do a few layers, but it will show a little bit. This is a nice peach tone. Let me just put this back, but I don't know why I love these puffs. To the side here. Oh, this is so cute. I love the angry faces. They're totally me. So this is number 6. Petite Bunny Gloss Bar. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that is really low. Is that supposed to look like that? Let's see. Maybe it winds up from the bottom. Oops. I'm guessing. Okay, yeah, it does wind up from the bottom. Cool. Let's see how this one looks on my skin. All right, so it's very subtle, but it still shows up on my skin like some tone. So if you're a little bit darker, then it still should show something, but it's gonna be a gloss at the end of the day. But this is really cute and looks like something you could just have in your purse for work. Just lip pack. Let's see which one. Not this one. Okay, this one, Choosy. Ooh. So this is like a lip sheet mask. So instead of for your face, it would just be for your lips, and it's mint chocolate. So this looks good because I have really dry lips. So this should definitely be helpful. Let's see what we have next here. We have the Momo Uruhara Alba Pacino foaming tool plus cleansing powder set. Oh, there's a cleansing powder? I thought it was just for foaming. So let's see. I guess it did show like 2 things on the box here. So I'm guessing like one is the foaming, one is the cleansing powder, and you mix it together. Let me just check really quick. Is there... Okay, there are English instructions here, so like I'll figure that out when I'm ready to make it. I'm really happy this is here because I was not going to be able to figure this out at all. I'd have to look it up online. And that's really cool. I want to try it. I'm just wondering, can you do it more than once because it's an open container? But it looks like something cool and reminds me of like when I was in chemistry. So Aurora eye topper and lip topper. I think we already looked at these. So it should be this one. Okay. So this is Daydream Unicorn. And this, I don't know if there's a color or if maybe Daydream Unicorn is the color, like the shade, but it looks pretty sparkly, like more like of a silver tone to me. And this looks really pretty on the model here with the eye and the lips, so I'm excited to try this. Maybe even it could use as a highlight, I don't know. We'll have to see how like glossy it is, but it says multi-gloss. And what was the next one? So we have Dev Foaming Facial Cleanser, which I'm guessing is this like full-sized honey face wash because they have like, looks like 3 or 4 different ones that you could have got. And honey is good for me because I do need moisture, but it just has to be something that's pretty natural and not gonna break me out. because I definitely have a breakout issue. Let me see how this looks, like how thick it is, because I don't really like too much foam. It has to, oh, that feels nice. I'll have to like try it out and see how it is consistency wise, that it doesn't dry out my face, but I feel like since it says honey on it, it shouldn't dry out my face, which is good because I probably wouldn't have liked the charcoal one just because I've been trying to be a little bit better with adding moisture back in. And then the last one I see is the Choco Mint face mask, and that's this one here. It looks like this goes with the lip mask that we already saw, because it's like a similar fashion, which I like because I like when they go together, like the same flavor, scent, whatever flavor. I'm not gonna eat it. I have to remind myself because this makes me feel hungry. But this will be good for my face as well with the whole hydration issue. This is something I might have picked up myself just because it looks pretty moisturizing and like a good face wash. This one's like more, I might have picked it up, maybe not, maybe like a in between. And then these, I would say, probably definitely stuff I would pick up all of these because they're not as more like risk adverse. So I do like that these are all things that probably like I would say these would probably be like guaranteed likes. I'm almost positive I'll like them. This is like a maybe, and this is like a maybe because like it just depends on like if it breaks me out, because that's how skincare is. These are more of like the risk factor, like trying something new. So in my opinion, they gave me more stuff that I would like or would maybe like versus like stuff that it's like, okay, I really don't know. So I think this was actually a really cool box, and for the price of $35 per month, I think you're getting a lot of item. And just let me know in the comments below if you liked this video, if you want me to do some more unboxing reviews type of things with like beauty products from overseas, because I thought this was fun. And if you are interested in No Make No Life, there will be a link down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye.